Welcome to Sahala Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a perfect dessert for Memorial Day. This dessert is very simple to make and very delicious. You can make this on any other occasions. You can make it for 4th of July, you can make it for Labor Day, you can make it for your family gatherings. It's a very simple and delicious recipe, and it's called Berries Trifle. Very easy to follow and very simple to make, yet absolutely delicious. So if this is what you're looking for, please continue to watch and I'll show you how to make this fabulous dessert. Thank you for watching. Beat cream cheese in a stand mixer or hand mixer and then add condensed milk to it. Mix until you don't see any lumps anymore and it is completely creamed and smooth. This is the consistency that you should be looking for before adding milk. Add milk slowly and gradually. Next, add instant pudding powder. Add whipping cream and slowly incorporate it to the mixture. This is how your mixture should look like before transferring it to the bowl. The first layer is cake crumbs, which already has nuts, walnuts and almonds to it, and some raisins. Your second layer is strawberries and blueberries, and you don't have to be very precise and perfect. Just drop them on the cake crumbs and that's all. Next, add your pudding mixture on the berries and smooth out the top. Repeat layers and top with strawberries, blueberries, and sliced almonds. refrigerate for overnight or at least 4 hours. Hi guys, welcome back. Here's our beautiful berries trifle. It was very easy to make, and let's try it and see how does it taste. So let me dig in very deep. Wow, it looks gorgeous. It is absolutely delicious. I love it. This is beautiful. This looks very professional. This looks really good, and also it's a very delicious. It has nuts and has fruits on it, and it is a very easy to make recipe. So please try this, and you will see it for yourself that this is very delicious. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave comments down below. Please leave me comments and let me know how you make my recipes. And if you have any questions, please contact me. I'm in Facebook, I'm in Snapchat, and Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.